Ukraine's Vitaly Klitschko, alongside his younger brother Vladimir, has terrorized the heavyweight division in unprecedented fashion. While the Klitschko brothers will forever be linked, Vitaly has formed his own identity as a title holder who shows no signs of slowing down. Let's take a look at Vitaly Klitschko's greatest hits. June 2003. In just his second fight in the United States, Vitaly Klitschko looked to answer questions about his toughness, taking on heavyweight champion Lennox Lewis as a last-minute substitute for originally scheduled challenger Kirk Johnson. The supremely confident Vitaly set out to prove his doubters wrong.
So will it be heaven or will it be hell?
From the outset, Vitaly was the aggressor, picking Lewis apart with precise, sharp punches. His assertiveness on offense appeared to startle the heavily favored champion.
Hard right hand by Klitschko, best punch of the round. Another little right hand inside by Vitaly. Hard right hand landed by Klitschko, Lewis holds on. Lewis momentarily stunned by the little left. Big left hand by Klitschko. They trade big right hands. Lewis gets the worst of it. And Lennox Lewis's left eye is beginning to swell. Vitaly Klitschko is roughing Lennox Lewis up as the second round begins to come down the stretch.
But as round 3 arrived, and just as it appeared Vitaly might cruise to an upset victory, momentum dramatically switched.
And now Vitaly bleeding by the left eye as well. Big right hand by Lewis.
There has never been a heavyweight championship between big men with this kind of intense action.
Big left hook by Lewis. And another.
Boy, that cut is bad. That cut is bad.
Lewis again with a left hook over the top. Now he begins to jab away at Klitschko's badly damaged eye. And Vitaly Klitschko's left eye is ripped up.
Although Vitaly Klitschko continued to fight hard, the fight was called to a halt by the ringside doctor as Klitschko sat on his stool following round 6.
They're stopping the fight. The fight has been stopped because of the damage to Vitaly Klitschko's eye.
Despite coming up short, Vitaly Klitschko had reversed his image to that of a tough warrior with a hunger for greatness. December 2003, 6 months removed from only his second professional loss, Vitaly was eager to return to the sweet science in what would be a quick dismantling of Kirk Johnson inside 2 rounds at the Mecca of boxing, Madison Square Garden. The heavy-handed Vitaly punished Johnson in a lopsided fight, knocking him down twice in the second round, closing the show with hard, accurate punches.
You want to see a heavyweight destroyer? Vitaly Klitschko wants to be your man. He wants to be your man right now. Big right hand lands again. Johnson having trouble fighting back. Down goes Johnson. And that is a great performance for Vitaly Klitschko.
December 2004, Vitaly returned to the ring in a defense of his heavyweight title against Danny Williams. He dominated from the start, establishing his power and ring generalship over his outmatched opponent.
But Klitschko lands a big right hand shot. Williams' hands drop. Still a minute to go in the round.
Here at ringside, you can hear the thud of Klitschko's punches.
Vitaly's got a chance for a first round KO here. Down goes Williams. Left hook by Klitschko, floors Williams.
That was about a 3-inch left hook.
That was stunning.
The outcome never in doubt. Vitaly outmuscled Williams, landing clean, flush shots throughout the fight. And in round 8, with an arsenal of precise and gut-wrenching punches, Vitaly ended the fight in beautiful knockout fashion.
That's it.
He gets rid of Danny Williams too.
September 2009, in a much-anticipated matchup, Vitaly took on the boisterous and charismatic Chris Arreola at Staples Center in Los Angeles, and Vitaly put on a boxing clinic to be remembered.
Vitaly's experience is really showing as the fight goes on, and both guys are getting tired.
Can't stop the right hand.
From the opening bell, Arreola had trouble working angles to reach his bigger, lengthier opponent. Vitaly's punches connected on all cylinders, and it soon became clear Arreola was outclassed.
Vitaly Klitschko is throwing jabs, right hands, uppercuts, body shots, and Arreola is having trouble finding the distance from which to get started. Blood coming now from the nostrils of Chris Arreola.
By the middle rounds, Arreola's face was a bloody mess. Vitaly continued imposing his will, nullifying Arreola's best assets utilizing his own skills to dominate.
How long can he go on taking this kind of punishment?
After 10 one-sided rounds, Ariola's corner threw in the towel. With the victory, Vitaly Klitschko retained his share of the heavyweight title and further cemented himself as a staple alongside his brother atop the heavyweight division. To see more of Vitaly Klitschko, tune into HBO Boxing.